Walay mahimo ang mayor kung dili ni backupan sa Sangguniang Panglungsod.
Kung unsa gyud ang vice mayor, unsay trabaho ana, unsay function ana.
Vice mayor is very important in the local governance. Ang vice mayor is the alter ego of the mayor. In the absence of the mayor, he is the mayor. Now, ang importansya sa vice mayor is that he collaborates with the mayor in setting the direction of the city. That is why the best and the number one advisor and counsel of the mayor should be the vice mayor, aside from being the presider. We have to remember this. Walay mahimo ang mayor kung dili ni backupan sa Sangguniang Panglungsod. So it's very important nga ang vice mayor knows very well what is the direction of the mayor. Ang mayor man gyud mo inay dako kayong responsibility ani sa atong syudad. All the department heads are in support to the mayor para ang tanang damgo sa atong katawhan hiusahon kini sa mayor iyan ning buhaton para sa kayuhan sa tanan. The vice mayor should collaborate with the mayor. There are two things sa vice mayor nga role diya sa local government. Number one is the functional role. Munang nakalatad sa local government code. The second pole diya sa iyang pagka-vice mayor is he should establish a good working relationship para kining duha ka branches, which is the executive and the legislative, can work together for the betterment of our city, for the good of our people.